going?
Little girl, you always do that when you see me put on my clothes. I'm going to support a cast member.
Supporting by doing what?
What do you mean by? Stop questioning me, say. You always do this. If I get an award today, so I just going to give you full support. Alright?
Okay, mommy.
Alright, fancy. You look like, sir. I mean, report to them, and none of them report to me. I can't put on my clothes and put nowhere in peace. I'm just want to pin on the bases on my yard. Only Nadia, my baby, that door. While I share the biggest one, I forget to share 3 bigger sisters. Big God. My name is Africa Watson, aka Miss Jen in the bartender. How would I describe myself now? Africa. Hardworking, kind, loving, caring. I am also a no-nonsense person, and I'm always ready and willing to take on any new challenges that comes my way.
For me.
Yeah, give me money now.
You don't have money.
No? Come off of the road. I am a transcript officer at the Caribbean Maritime University, in charge of students' certification, both for core degree programs and short course programs. Was this my first choice? No, definitely not. An entrepreneur, a very successful businesswoman. Somewhat really, you know, but I know we'll get there someday because I'm working on it. Honestly, I own a bar, and some years ago I used to operate the bar, but that is not my thing. Being a bartender is not my thing, definitely not my thing. And then it is located in the Garrison, so you know it's gonna have its ups and downs when the violence starts. So at some point when the violence starts, things get slow, really slow. So I had to decide to look a job, because the money coming from the bar could sustain the family, pay the bills and take care of the children. So I decided, I went out on job hunting, and that's when I started working at CMU. First I started as a customer service rep, move on to a records officer, and now I'm a transcript officer. So I'm there all over the Phillies in CMU, learning everything that I can. It's a very hectic day for me, starting at 5:30 in the morning. Wake up the kids. Alyssa, Nalia, Kadre, 6:30 now, time to leave. Ashley!
Yes, mommy?
Ready, 7 o'clock, and you know me have to stop at the bar. most of the day when I'm on my breaks, you know, I have to check on the business. It's time for dismissal of school, check on the kids, ensure they reach home. And then by 4:15 I'm out. 4:30 I'm back at home. Cook dinner, then circle the bar again, make sure everything up and running. Any other duties I have to do, because you don't know, rent tables, I have to help the kids and with them over. So if I have any rental business, I have to reach back in the house by a certain time, 8 o'clock, or by 9 them gone to bed. Ensure that them done my homework and not watching any TV or on the phone after 9 o'clock. That's a typical day for me. I'm gonna support one of my cast members, Mr. Robert Finzi Smith, aka Mr. Mullins, from the Bartender. He has been inducted in the Jollywood Hall of Fame. So I'm just gonna give him my support because he's a very good supporter and he has always encouraged me. So I just want to be there to give him my full support.
What is that?
I'm here, Uncle Bobby.
Whisper? No. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I love the year.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I'm the road later. You want to hold it?
Huh?
You want to hold it?
So,
We call him. That is it.
alright, that's it. Your best friend, your buddy. Your best friend. I understand.
From the 2 minutes before you got in, you got to do it. It's alright. We have a season cut for you.
Hey!
Somebody wants to get up at this evening. Who's never come out here? Full entertainment complex. Chop down all of them tree there. Level the place. Up with gazebos on the back. You know. Fix up the fence them, wall them, high. This is not just a hot spot for the people in the community, but a spot for entertain tourists also. So it's gonna be one of the places in the garrison to be talked about. By the end of the year, the fence have to go though. If I'm not sure about nothing else, the fence will go. The door and the window, so on the storeroom and the mini office area there, are set up. The rest will come. It's slow, but it's sure. Well, I think that is the wrong question because I'm always a bartender fan. From before and even now, I can't stop being a bartender fan. I just love the bartender. Question should be, how did the business get introduced to the bartender? Let's see. King, we are both from the same community. And you know this is the Rockford community, aka Top Hill in the Bartender. So he has always passed, hailed me up and always hail him up back. because he was one of my biggest fans in the bartender too, one how. But one day he just asked me, I want to use this space to do some filming. I said, go ahead, any day, anytime, no problem with me. At least me make a business, we get like a promotion, you know the straps. But me being a cast member in the bartender, that's another story, because I never see myself becoming a cast member. As you can ask any other cast member, I was one of the afraidest person for camera. As me see the camera, I hide. But now, girl get brave and can match it up. Still I learn still. And it's a good feeling. I like it. I would say about 80%. Jen personality and Africa personality are basically the same. Jen a bad girl, you know. Africa a bad girl. But there are some things that is required of me in filming that I would never do in real life. When it comes on to my partner, I will never lie. You know, keep secrets. I'm gonna do a lot of that in the bartender. 2, I'm not up in my man's space. I give him freedom and space to do whatever I want to do whenever I want to do. If I want to talk to me, talk to me. Because I like my space and my freedom. So, we do the same. What other? From that, we're very close. Jen and Africa, very, very close. Actually, no, I know. Because whatever the director tell me to do, I do it. I just want him to tell me how to do it, how he want me to say it, how he want me to fix my head. Anything he tell me to do, I do it. Because I want to learn, so I just do everything he tell me to do. It has been a very good process. It has been very educating and informative for me. Because what I love most about the bartender, it speaks to everyday life story and what is happening in society these days. And a lot of things that they put out there, I didn't even know of it. If it's not for the bartender, I wouldn't learn of some of these things. So, I love it. Yes, I am. Yes. If I should have another on-screen love interest other than the king, who would that be? Now we're on yourself. At the end, you will all know. 1, the program is very informative and educating, not only for adults, but also for children. 2, the main focus is on the inner city. They help to promote the inner city youths in their businesses, events, and the everyday happenings that is happening in the inner city. 3, they are loving, kind, and caring persons. And what I love most about them, they'll never see one of them pass a fan on the road and I call to them and then answer. It's like them have years to hear them fan a call to them. Thank you all for watching my on-screen autobiography of Africa Watson, aka Miss Jen. And this is my on-screen love interest.